Tara, check na natin yung meal prep natin today. Come on! What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today is a Wednesday at of course, meal prep day. Nakakaloka. I'm very excited to try my food for the day. At may umikse ng lango po ngala. So ano naman yan? Ang breakfast ko ay tuna croquette nigiri. Ang akin snack ay itong espresso cream cinnamon roll. Ang ating lunch, excited ako, totoo ba to? Tantan men. Tantan men sis. Nakakaloka. Ang aking snack ay itong fresh fruit. I forgot the name of this fruit. And ang aking dinner ay chicken chop bacon and cheese. Thousand Island barbecue sandwich. Ang hagaba nun, te. Oo. So, ano pang hintay natin, guys? Kainin na natin to. Let's go. Come on, lemon. Okay, mga besh. Breakfast na tayo. Ay, may excel ng langaw, te. Ang first meal natin is tuna croquette nigiri. May kasama siyang dalawang sauce. I don't know how to go about this. Siguro, i-dip na lang natin, mga besh. And it smells so good. And I'm very, very excited to try it. Okay, mga besh. Tikman na natin. So, how do we go about this? Normally kasi, kinakamay ko yan. Pero since mainit siya, ayan, ito yung croquette. Yes! Oh, come on. Gusto mo. Naluglog po na. Wala pang 5 minutes. Ayan, lalagyan ko na lang ng rice. O yung nigiri. Nakakairita yung langaw. Kanina po umekse na po ngala. Ayan, lagyan na natin ng sauce. At kainin na natin. Let's go! Ang sarap. Kahit yung croquette hindi creamy, masarap. Tayo naman natin isang sauce. Come on. Ano kaya to? Nakakainis sila ako kayo nakapapungan ako yung layupa ka bomba ko. Ano ko, gigigil ako sa'yo, te. Oh. Nakaka-stress. Ang sarap. Sobrang solid, guys. Nakakatawa. At kanina nag-check ako na aking weight. Nag-lose na ako ng 10 pounds. Hindi ko kinaya. 3 weeks in the making. Anyways, guys. See you later ng lunchtime. Para hindi masyado mahaba yung video. Come on. I have been working and now I'm having my snack, which is the espresso. They call this espresso cinnamon roll. Oh, diba? Mga social. Shine natin. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na kailangan magkape, tiyo. Buti rin hindi na ako bumili ng kape. Ang solid. Ang sarap. Anyways, guys. Sobrang quick lang neto. Back to work. Hey guys, it's lunchtime and I am having tantan men. Oh my gosh, ramen for lunch. And tantan men pa. That's super my favorite. And I'm very, very excited to enjoy this right now. Come on. So, ayun mga besh, tikman na natin. Let's go. Let's mix it. Yes. Wala, favorite ko talaga to. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Tapos tama kasi wavy noodles. Sasabit-sabit talaga yung brown pork. Come on. Or beef. Kung ano man to. Come on. Hala, ang sarap. Hulo, ang sarap yung bros. Ang rich. So yummy. Come on. Solid, solid. Mamaya na ulit, guys. Work na ako. Bye. Dinner time! Oh my gosh. Ang aking dinner ay this one. Chicken chop, bacon, and cheese. Thousand Island barbecue sandwich. Ang haba ng pangalan po. Wala, oh. Tikman na natin, sis. Come on. Oh, diba? 1, 2, 3, go. Napakasarap. Ang lasa ng dressing. I love it. Ang sarap ng combination. Cheers! Napakasarap. So that's it for me for today. Kanina po, nagutom ako ng mga hapon. Kaya umorder ako ng salad wrap online. But nonetheless, everything is super good. Very tasty. Siguro next time, 1-8 na yung ordering ko starting next week. And I hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys on the next one. Bye!